Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This bath bomb is called You Shall Go to the Ball. It's a cute little Cinderella carriage. And honestly, I'm kind of confused why it's considered a Christmas bath bomb, but it is. That's what it's categorized as. This one is rather small. It's only 5.4 ounces and it costs $7.95. And it's supposed to smell like a sweet strawberry scent. It has Sicilian lemon oil and tonka absolute, which is supposed to give it that sweet strawberry scent. But honestly, I didn't think it smelled like strawberries. I thought it smelled good, just was not picking up on a strawberry or a lemon or, the other fragrance notes. It smelled like shea butter to me, which is kind of random, but it was super moisturizing. It says it has soybean flour, talc, and cornstarch to give it like a nice softness, and it definitely had that. And it was really foamy at the beginning, so I kind of picked it up, just dunked it back under water. A lot of times with bath bombs, when it's real foamy on top like that and the foam kind of comes away from it, it makes the bath bomb a lot more active. So that's kind of what happened here. And you can see in the middle, there is some yellow. And it became very vibrant once it kind of opened up a little bit. The yellow seemed to fizz a lot quicker than the rest of the bath bomb that was pink. And eventually I did pick it up another time or two, and the complete inside where the yellow was like hollowed out, and it was just the shell of the outside, the pink part. So it kind of has a little color changing surprise. I thought it was going to be hot pink water, but because of all the yellow, it made it an orange color. So overall, I really like this bath bomb. I thought it was adorable. I like the color changing aspect of it. It smelled good, even though I didn't think personally it smelled like strawberries, but overall I did like it. And this is the first of the Christmas bath bombs I'm doing a demo of. If you want to see the rest of them, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I have a Lush playlist in case you want to see past bath bombs. And I will link that below in the description box. But here's the last little bit of the bath bomb. Even though it was small, it did last pretty long in the tub. And you can see it's just like the outer shell left. And here's what the water looked like at the end. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.